Hello everyone, this is Sridhar from Olympics Training Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to import the data from SQL Server database to Power BI. As we have already discussed about how to import the data from Excel to Power BI, in the same way that SQL Server also works. So we'll just discuss about it. See, if you go to get data, then you can see that SQL Server here, or you can refer this particular option, or you can import the data from this option also. Okay, so I'll just go through this SQL Server. It's loading. Yeah, so here it is asking for server. So my server name is this one. So, yeah, yes. And then if you know the database name, you can enter it, otherwise leave it because it is optional thing. And you have data connectivity mode. One is import and another one is direct query. So what is the difference? See, import in the sense it will connect to the database and then it will take the copy of data to this Power BI, whereas this direct query will build a live connection with the database. Okay, so whenever you send a request to a data, okay, updated data, then what happens, if it is import mode, then it will take the data from the local memory in the sense, so imported data into Power BI, whereas a direct query will send the request to the database directly and it will fetch data from there and it will update in this Power BI. So now, as of now, we'll just consider import. In the future, we'll discuss what is the use of this direct query and what are the disadvantages. We'll discuss each and everything there. Now I'll just click on OK. So now it is started connecting to the database. Yeah, so now you can see it has connected to our database, and here you can see these all are the database names. Okay, so now I want to go to this sales. Let us say my data is there in sales database. So see, I have orders. I would just want to import that orders. Here it is showing the preview of that data, and now if the data is ready to use, then directly we can load it, or if you wanted to make some transformation, you can go to transform data and that will redirect you to Power Query. Okay, so I'll assume my data is perfect to use so that I can easily load it to Power BI desktop. Just click on load. Now it is loading to directly Power BI desktop. Yes, the data is loaded to Power BI desktop, so that from here you can see this data. Just click on the table. Okay, so this is how you can import the data from Power BI, from SQL Server database to this Power BI. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.